Happy greetings. Let's lighten up the paths like the spiritual masters. And who better than teachers, parents, guides, coaches, who are first mothers, who are gurus. They are the ones who lighten up children like the lamp and make life beautiful, make them smile. Today's guest, today's expert is Sharda ma'am. She has touched over 5,000 lives through her teaching career as a mother to so many students because we are mothers for our students. And she is an amazing career counselor. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much for beautiful words, Sunny. I'm really, really honored to be here with you, sharing the screen with you. It's my honor. And I'm really grateful that we met and we are here, landed up on the same virtual platform. Thank you so much.
Universe has best plans, and we are here to celebrate it fully and make life a festival for the teens and youth because we are working with schools. Yes. So, how should one choose career? So many careers, AI and IoT, data, and gone are the days engineering and doctor alone of 90s. So what is your advice to all our viewers?
To my viewers, I want like the people when they are not well, they go to the doctor and doctor tells, please go and have some blood test or some these tests, and you go and take a pathological lab, you go and take tests. Similarly, the career counselors are the one who are like doctors who will advise you through your psychometric test. Like they ask you to take one psychometric test, and based on that, which is a very scientific method, psychometric test, where MCQ questions are given, and a counselor comes to know about the interest, personality, skills, and abilities by the question, by the answers given by the student. And then by talking with them, we can give him or her the best career, which will be so very fulfilling, and he will feel he'll enjoy while going for a job. Like
Yes.
example, if we say talk about AR Rahman never feels tired, even if he works for 10 to 12 hours, because he loves it, he's passionate about. So this is the our advice and our request that you should please go for a career counseling once. And
Go
with
to the
this, I will,
advisor, go to the
yeah,
expert, go to the guru, surrender and
yes,
get the best advice and say bye
yes,
bye to all peer pressure. Sharma ji's son, what will log say? Huh?
yes,
So
absolutely
you have
correct,
removed all the
absolutely,
doubts. You've made it very
yes,
simple. Take up a test,
yes,
understand your passion, and make work your meditation. Great.
yes.
Now, coming to your life has been full of service, full of giving. Please throw some light on your rich experiences as a teacher, as a mother, as a career counselor. So, two incidences, two tips from all the three will make it beautiful.
So first, let me start with my teaching job.
Yeah.
I was only 22 when I started my teaching career in St. Paul's School, Katgodam, which is in Uttarakhand. And when I joined there, I saw the children, they were about 18 to 19 years because coming from the farmer's background, they started their studies late. And but I always kept a distance between the student and the teacher, being so young and at that time. But I started and they came up. They used to come to me for their personal and their even career related. At that time, I was not a career counselor, but I understood them by teaching experiences because I was dealing with them day to day. And I found that what problems they have, they were going because as I was teaching class 11 and 12, So they were going through very emotional and some relationships, small relationships, and are not able to focus on their studies. And I used to give them advice on that. And really, I should say it was all my advices were very accurate, and the parents also were very happy. And sometimes at that age only, I tried to, bridge down the conflicts between the parent and the students, like regarding different subject combinations and all.
Yes.
And I was so happy at that young age. The parents, they used to come and they used to say, Namaste, ma'am, please give your advice. And that time I didn't know that I have like this capability to to make them understand at that tender age, but I was able to do it.
Beautiful.
And I'm so
That is
happy.
the
My
power of
all
a teacher.
Yes, and really, I'm just today I am in contact with my all my students who are married and they have kids and all, and they connect with me and they say, "See, this is my mom. She's my mom." So a very good experience I got, and that was a daughter of my ex-student, and she told her father, "What are you saying, Dad? She can't be your teacher. She's our teacher. She doesn't seem to be your teacher." So I felt so good, and this love and of students make us all make, in fact, all teachers young by their heart, and because we are in connection with all our new generation every day. As a
Times are
career
changing.
counselor,
Yes. Yeah.
yeah, times are changing, and but we are our students make us young, and they want to see us looking presentable in front of them. So I feel myself very, very young, and I
Yes.
am at par with them with technology. I keep on learning something new, like this. Like now, I'm doing the Google Teacher uh, training, so
Yeah.
that I'm part with all the Google tools.
Super.
As a career, thank you so much. As a career counselor, like I feel so good when the students, they are so confused, they are no clarity, but when they take the test they feel so happy, and
Yes.
then they say, "Ma'am, we were thinking about this, but we were not sure how to convince our father, how to
Yes.
convince our mother. Now I have got clarity." Like a few students, they come up and their parents, they want them to be a doctor or engineer, but when psychometric test comes out, they are very good in literature, so they are very good in they can have a great career in mass communication. So when the
Yes.
parents, even they again see the result, just like the doctor's result, they say, "Oh, okay." I said, "Please don't make them don't make her a doctor. She'll be a very bad doctor." So they understand, and now they are understanding, and thanks to the universe, that my all my whatever suggestions I give them, they accept it and they are happy, very happy. As a
Beautiful.
mother,
Yes.
as a mother, when let me share a small story. Like when I was lockdown came and we were all locked up in our small houses, the flats
Yes.
in metropolitan cities. So I was also feeling, at that time my daughter was in class 9. So I thought, let me fix up a career counselor for her so that they can give her a good advice.
Correct.
But when I was connecting with them, like somebody was charging 5,000, some were charging 7,000, and others, maybe the more reputed, they were charging 10,000. I thought, isn't it very difficult for parents to pay this much
Correct.
fees for a career counseling? So why should I not become a career counselor and make it at a very affordable rate, so that
Yes.
no child goes back, no parents can say no.
True.
I'll make it so very affordable. And I did it. Today also, I do it for my student. At many times I've done it for 995 only, so that they can, when parents say no, we can't, no ma'am, it's very costly. When I tell my, like, I take this much, so they say, "Ma'am, little costly." I said, "Okay, I have another plan for you, in which I'll give you 3 counseling. I give 3 counseling sessions only, sometimes 4. But to make them, so they ask me, "Ma'am, in that," I said, "In that I give 7." So they say, "Okay, ma'am, you'll give 3." I said, "Yes." Then the student is so happy with the
Yeah.
results. So I don't want any parent just to go back, and say, I can't afford it. So I have made it very affordable. Like my different slabs are there, but when I see the child should not suffer in any
Correct.
case. So I make it affordable for the parents who can't afford. But I can't take free because psychometric tests, I have to buy psychometric tests. There is like, for example, the one lab people, they buy the kit for testing the blood sugar. Similarly, we have to buy the psychometric tests.
Yes.
So that is
So
little costly.
beautiful. So
We have to
beautiful.
pay for that. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
And let it reach every home. Let us
Yes,
discover our inborn potential, our personality type, our interests, our skill sets, not just marks and medals. Beautiful.
yes,
And I like the journey, the transition from an inspiring teacher for the youth to a happy mother, an inspiring mother, and now reaching out to more with career counseling. 5,000 is a good number. Now we'll add few zeros there. Let's keep reaching out to
yeah,
more and more. Yes. Ma'am,
yes, I have,
how?
yes.
Yes, go ahead, go ahead.
I have I'm on a mission to serve 100,000 youths. This is my mission. I know it's a big, huge number, but for universe there is lot of abundance, and
Yes.
I know there is nothing less in universe, and I'm going to reach this number and more than this in coming years, and
Please
universe
add
will
one
help.
more zero easily, because when you start making videos, blogs, podcasts, and then posters here and there, one quote, you will inspire so many globally. So it is a small number, don't worry. It will be done in
Thank,
less than 5 years. Now,
thank you so much.
how do I face failure, ma'am? Please advise.
Yes. Yes, for failure, I have got a very beautiful story which I share with my students most of the time, because I told you I take some motivational classes also. When it's a free period, I've got a substitution period. And when I talk with my students, I said, life, is so beautiful. And there is such a beauty about this life is that, and I asked them a question, have you seen cricket match or do you play cricket? And most of the students, they agree that play cricket,
Yes.
or yeah, they so they connect with it. And I
Saurabh
said,
Dada,
the
Kolkata.
and yes, Kolkata, everybody loves cricket and football. So I said, have you seen that pitch in which the batsman is there and a bowler is there? So they say, ma'am, yes. I said, the life is so beautiful that there is only a bowler, and bowler is that life, and the batsman is you, and there is no wicket keeper, no wickets behind, and nobody to catch your ball, only you and life. And the life is giving you balls, and maybe you can miss one ball, but there is nothing to be out because there is no wicket keeper, no wickets. And the second ball, maybe again you can miss, but there will be a ball in which you will give a sixer. So wait
Very
for
good.
that moment. Wait for that moment. And they
Beautiful.
really agree with me, and in this way I teach them slowly how to handle the failure. So
Okay.
life will
Now
give
I
you
have
keep
not
on chance.
failed, ma'am. But how do I face a bouncer, obstacles? If the bowler is so fast, there will be some
Leave it.
obstacles also. Failure, I've understood.
Yes.
Okay. Sunny missed the ball. Okay, great. But obstacles?
Yes, obstacles in the life of a student are the skills which they do not have. The skills,
Yeah.
and we tell them, like, for example, a child wants to be a journalist, okay? But that child is not very good and fluent in writing. So there are I tell my students, like, the way you have learned your cycling, your swimming. Cycling and swimming is also a skill. So skill we can learn. It can be learned anytime. You can do some small certification courses, and you can add on the value, and slowly you can become an intern under a good leader, good mentor,
Yes.
and then you can do it. And
Super.
I also provide them a lot of internships in
Wow.
which they understand Yeah, I provide them internship, like they work on it. There are many students who are working on internship at present, and they are so very happy.
Beautiful.
Actually what happens, they think like this is my forte, but when they start
Yes.
working on it, they understand, no, 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 I don't like it. I don't like
Correct.
this. I like something
Yes.
else.
We taste
So
it.
they,
No, it's not
yeah,
suiting me. No.
yeah.
Now, you spoke about failure, obstacles, skills, and all. Okay, but how do I develop the attitude and habits? So, you please
See,
enlighten.
the habits can be formed as we all know in 21 days if we practice one particular thing regularly, and
Yes.
for that for over 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, slowly increasing it, and you can make it a habit, or you can anchor it with, like for example, brushing your teeth. You anchor something there, like I have to learn this thing, and when you're brushing, that particular thing will be anchored there. Like for example, I also anchor my few things, like when I'm brushing at my teeth, so I just remember, yes, I have to show gratitude to the universe, and I just, and I have put all these small pieces where I have written, thank you universe, thank you so much, so that I remembered my gratitude to the universe, and I just, I'm brushing my teeth, I just start giving gratitude to the universe, like I've anchored myself. So in this way, we can anchor. And good habits, like for example, like when I come and talk with many students during workshop. So I one of the thing, like they say, "Hey, ma'am, it's very difficult for us to get up in the morning. To get up
Yeah.
in the morning is
Same
becoming
problem
very
with me
difficult."
also.
So I told them, and it really helped them out. So I told them, whenever like you want to work on a mobile, when you're working on a mobile, can you work on a mobile when it is rebooting or it is
No.
updating? So
No.
they say, no, ma'am, we can't do it. So I said, when at the time when you're sleeping at night, your battery is rebooting. You can't do anything in the morning. So how will you do it? So I told them, you have to do at night. Night may, like for example, 10 o'clock, just put an alarm and just wake up. You're already awake, but you just pretend that you're sleeping. You put the alarm rings, and then you go to the washroom, put water on your face, do 1 to 3 push-ups, and then you go again to sleep. Again, after 5 minutes, put an alarm, and again, because now this mobile you can do anything to this mobile.
Yeah.
It's not on the rebooting, and do it 2 3 days regularly. And in the morning, when the bell will ring, you will automatically go wash your face, and you will put the do 2 3 push-ups, and after that you will not feel asleep. So they tried, some students, they tried it, and they say, ma'am, now we can get up, we don't feel annoyed with the alarm noise. We feel it, yes, I have to just wake up and wash our face and do 2 3 push-ups, and we don't feel asleep. So these are the few techniques I keep on
Beautiful.
telling.
Yes. Now, quick tip on law of attraction. Yes. How do you manifest
Law
magic in your life?
law of attraction, like my mentors, they have taught me, like this is our limiting belief, like we will not get it, but the universe has unlimited. You have to ask, just surrender. For example, like somebody comes to our house, and we have got many assorted foreign chocolates, and we have tasted each. We have tasted. But a child comes, and we put that in the bowl, and we say, "Ki, choose yours." So the child may choose something which is not that tasty. I know that this is not good. But when he surrenders to me and say, Auntie, you give me the best one, and I will give him the best one. So similarly, I surrender to the universe, and I know it will give me the best, and the best has
Beautiful.
come. We have met, and this was a gift from the universe. I am really thankful to the God and the universe for making this day, and so quick everything.
Yes, I love the word surrender and I like the word quick. This is sweet. This, I think, is my takeaway from this show. Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so
ma'am.
much.
Just keep
Thank you.
serving and let's keep celebrating every day in
Thank you
surrender,
so
in
much.
faith, with a big smile. Thank you so much.
Thank you.